All right, in the matter of Raquel Tyndall versus Isaiah Kupshaw, file number 2007-32109 DP, that matter's been dismissed.
Which one was that, Your Honor?
Tyndall versus Kupshaw, you're not on that one, I don't think. In the matter of Tanya Epps versus Troy Johnson, file number 2008-32407UN, that matter has been adjourned to July 7th. In the matter of Tiffany Aceves versus Dennis Hanshoe, file number 2009-33817DS, that matter has been adjourned to July 14. In the matter of Jeffrey Readers versus Alicia Roy, file number 2011-37341UN, that matter has been adjourned to July 7. In the Wilma Wilson, can you hear me? Why don't you unmute your device? All right. In the matter of Wilma Wilson versus Paul Wiley, file number 2022-50157, that matter's been adjourned to July 7th. So you're all set today. Thank you. Ms. Wilson, can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's been adjourned to July 7th. You're all set today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. In the matter of
June 7th. Did you say Wilma Wilson was rescheduled for June 7th?
July 7th.
Thank you.
Thank you. In the matter of Jennifer Lauer versus Kyle Lauer, bring him in. Sorry, I'm getting a bunch of dismissals. Mr. Lauer, in the matter of Jennifer Lauer versus Kyle Lauer, file number 2013-38954DM. That matter has been adjourned to July 14 at 8 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you.
In the matter of Stasha Marie Nodine versus Bruce Martin, file number 2016-43258, that matter has been dismissed. So in the matter of Sarah Holtz versus Timothy Holtz, we have two files. Is Timothy Holtz here? Why don't you come up to the podium? Mr. Wiley, no, his case was dismissed. Hold on a second. Or adjourned. Mr. Wiley, your case has been adjourned to July 7th, so you are all set. If you can hear me, Mr. Wiley.
Yes, I can hear you now. Thank you.
Yep, all right, July 7th, thank you. All right, so we have two files, one in the matter of Sarah Holtz versus Timothy Holtz, file number 2008-33341DM. And we have Whitney Holtz versus Timothy Holtz, file number 24-51596DM. So on file number 2008-33341DM, that is arrearages only. And the balance of your arrearages are $6,903.67. This is your fifth show cause. It looks like the last payment was $50 back on March 19th of 2025. And then on file number 24-51596DM, that is an active case with a monthly charge of $778. Looks like today's balance is $6,411.50. We do have prior show causes, and it looks like we have never received a payment. Cooper Bender law injury settlement reached and funds to be applied to this case. Let's see. No payment has been made as of May 9th. You had a support intake in December per judgment of divorce. No document was submitted and review was terminated. So, what's going on with your case with Mr. Cooper and Bender?
They signed all the settlement papers last Monday, and I was told the checks were mailed last week.
Okay. All right, to the front of the court.
Yeah, they separated everything. They did one to front of the court, one to the hospital. So I've been off work for like a year and a half.
Okay, and how much do you know, how much went to front of the court?
So it was about $3,000 each case.
That's it? Okay. All right, are you back at work?
I will be starting back like next week.
Where at?
I'm starting another business.
Okay, so you know, if you start a business, you can't pay your child support. You need to get a job that pays your child support, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so you said they mailed, Cooper and Bender mailed checks to front of the court.
That's yes. They may have already got it because I got one of the checks Friday. So they might have got it, just not applied checks. I know they were mailed last week.
Okay. All right, so I am going to set this out to Becky. Are we here the 26th of May?
No, we're closed that day.
Oh, are we here the 20th or the 19th?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna set this out to May 19th to verify receipt of that. And so Mr. Holtz, understand nobody showed up for that income review, so it got dismissed. So if you need to do that again, you're going to have to refile, okay?
Okay.
All right, and then on the arrearages only case, you know, I'd be happy with $100 a month on it. And then obviously whatever your current charging case, you know, you probably need to have a review on that and show up for it, all right? Okay, so we will see back on May 19th, just to verify payment on that. Thank you.
Your Honor, was that May 19th on both cases?
I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so that takes us to Selena Pelum versus Selena Keller versus Dino Pelum. Dino Pelum. This is file number 2015-41502DS. Neither of them are in my waiting room or in the courtroom. So Mr. Pelum is ordered to pay $251 a month in child support. His arrearage as of today's date is $2,827.69. This is his at least 8th show cause. The last payment we received was $800 on February 24th of 2025. I'm gonna issue a bench warrant for his arrest. I'm gonna set bond in the amount of $2,900. In the matter of Dakota Matson versus Isidor Castarz. Mr. Castarz, you want to come on up? All right, so Mr. Castarz, this is file number 18-45159DS. All right, you have a monthly child support amount in the amount of $236. Today's date, your arrearage is $1,517.72. You got a payment back in 24. So you were supposed to get full-time employment by today. So are you working?
Yeah,
Where are you working at?
Tiffany's Garden.
Where is it?
Tiffany's Garden,
Where's that at?
Manchester, Michigan.
Okay,
It's the same place that I was working last time, and you guys were taking out straight out of my check for.
they've already started taking it out?
No, but it's the same place I was working at where they were before.
Okay, Mr. Vasquez, you have that employer information then?
Yes, Your Honor, I can just restart that income withholding.
Okay, so until your paycheck shows that they've taken it out, know that you get paid weekly or bi-weekly?
Weekly.
Okay, so every week when you get your paycheck, if they haven't taken it out, you need to make a payment, right?
Yeah,
And you need to pay a little bit extra. Are you working full-time, right?
yeah,
All right, so you need to pay a little bit extra. Your arrearage isn't that high. So I'm gonna order that you pay an extra $50 a month towards the arrearage. So when you get your paycheck, if they didn't take it out, pay $72 until they start taking it out, all right?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna set this out to July 14th just to monitor that and make sure that that's coming out. And like I said, make that $72 payment. You still on Oak?
yep.
Perfect. All right. Good luck, Mr. Castarz. Thank you. The matter of Elizabeth Sullivan versus Jeremy Sullivan, file number 2018-45522DM. Do I have Jeremy Sullivan? All right, Mr. Sullivan's ordered to pay $657 a month in child support. This is at least his third show cause, his balance. How did it go down like 26,000?
That would be when the medical expenses dropped off in January per the state mandate.
Okay, so his arrearage as of today is $4,154.45. I'll show bench warrant for his arrest, failure to appear, and I will set bond in the amount of $4,155. All right. In the matter of, let's see, Alexis Baker's. In the matter of Devin Mishling versus Alexis Baker, file number 19-4686 is Devin Mishling here? No. So Alexis Baker is present.
Yes.
So Ms. Baker is ordered to pay $361 a month in child support. As of today's date, her arrearage is $4,766.64. This is her second show cause at least. We have not received any payments since the last show cause. And the last payment we received was $50.68 back on July 24 of 2024. So Ms. Baker, are you currently employed?
Yes, I work at WIT Management there in Adrian. They have taken child support out of my first check. My first check was 2 weeks ago.
All right, and they did take child support out.
Yes.
Ms. Stankiewicz, do we show we've received it yet?
Just 1 second, Your Honor, I'm checking. As of Friday, there was no payment made, so let me just verify. No, Your Honor, I'm still showing the last payment as the July 2024 payment.
All right, I'm gonna set this out to July 7, Ms. Baker, and just make sure they keep taking it out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, Stephen Wood. In the matter of Amanda Wood versus Stephen Wood, file number 20-47464 DM. Says the date and time set for show cause. Mr. Wood has a monthly charge of $3,145 per month in child support. His arrearage as of today is $62,744. Pled guilty to failure to pay and failure to appear back in October. Issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear. And you can sit up on this bench back here behind the podium. I'll set bond in the amount of 25,000. Has this been referred to the Attorney General, or is he on disability, or?
No, he's not on disability. It looks like Michelle put that he's on VA benefits, but I will delve into that some more, and if applicable, I'll refer it to the Attorney General this afternoon.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
And I do believe that concludes our front of the court show cause docket. Is anybody else here for front of the court that I didn't call your name?
Your Honor,
No.
I have Terrell Love. But it doesn't look like he's on the docket.
No?
No, okay. No, that's a Judge Olstaver. It was given to me in error. I apologize.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Underwood, I believe that concludes the docket.
Thank you, Your Honor.